interested in owning a home in Kigali, don't worry, because here we have a 4 bedrooms house, 3 bathrooms, dining area, kitchen, living room, backside house, parking space, and it's only on 120 million with negotiation here in Kanombe, Busanza, near Kabeza. As you can see, this is a living room, as you can see. Have dining area. Yeah, we have a very beautiful kitchen, as you can see. Here we have a guest bedroom, which has its own bathroom, as you can see. 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom, this one and also this one that share this bathroom on this side. We have master bedroom that comes with a wardrobe on this side, and you can see how beautiful it is. The balcony of the master bedroom, which is quite big, and you can put some seats here. The master bathroom, which has a glass door and also a very nice furniture here, as you can see. This beautiful house is only on 120 million with the negotiation here in Kanombe, Busanza, near Kabeza. Thank you so much.